So this video is of CMA Foundation students. The books of CMA Foundation are as follow. We have 4 papers in Foundation. The first one is Fundamentals of Economics and Management. So this is the paper 1 and the syllabus is given as follows. In economics you have section A, which is of economics. So you have basic concepts of economics, theory of demand and supply, theory of production, theory of cost, market, money, bank and money market. So these are the chapters, or you can say these are the topics which you have already read in your 12th and 11th if you are a commerce background, if you are from a commerce background. But if you are from science or arts background, then you have to go through it very precisely. Now section B is of management. So you have to study management process, management concepts, that is the basic concepts of management, leadership and motivation, and then decision making. So the syllabus of management is also very well equal to that of the syllabus of 11th and 12th of commerce. Again, if you are from other background, you have to study this really very well. Commerce students, no need to worry that much in this particular paper. Okay, so this was all about the paper 1 and its syllabus. Next is paper number 2, that is Fundamentals of Accounting. Now let us see the syllabus of the same. So Fundamentals of Accounting is paper number 2 in Foundation, and the syllabus is as follow. Fundamentals of Financial Accounting is of 80% of marks, and Fundamentals of Cost Accounting holds 20% of marks. And the chapters are as follows. In section number A, that is Fundamentals of Financial Accounting, you have accounting basics, accounting for special transactions, and then preparation of final accounts. And the section B, that is Fundamentals of Cost Accounting, you have just one study note, that is Fundamentals of Cost Accounting. So accounting is of really very basic level in CMA Foundation. So again, commerce students need not to worry much because they have already studied these in their respective 11th and 12th classes. So this was all about paper number 2, that is Fundamentals of Accounting. So next is paper number 3, which is Fundamentals of Law and Ethics. So this is very much new subject in CMA Foundation. Means commerce student also have never read this subject, that is Law and Ethics. So this is paper number 3. Now let us see the syllabus. So we have 2 parts, Fundamentals of Commercial Laws, which hold 70% of the weightage, and Fundamentals of Ethics, which holds 30% of the weightage respectively. Now the chapters are as follows. In section number A, that is in Commercial Law, you have Indian Contract Act 1872, then you have Sale of Goods Act 1930, then you have Negotiable Instrument Act 1881. And then you have the small chapter of ethics and business, which is very easy. So though this subject is very new, but it is also very interesting, and syllabus is also very precise. So you can easily do this also. Now our paper number 4, that is our last paper in CMA Foundation, is Fundamentals of Business Mathematics and Statistics. So this is paper number 4 in CMA Foundation. Now the syllabus is, you have Fundamentals of Business Mathematics of 40% of weightage of marks. Then you have Fundamentals of Business Statistics, that is you have 60% weightage of marks. Now the chapters in this particular subject is again of 10th level, that is very basic level. So you have arithmetic, in that you have ratios, variation, proportions, simple and compound interest, AP and GP. Then you have algebra, in which you have set theory, indices and logarithm, permutation and combination, quadratic equations. And then section B, that is you have here statistic. So in statistic you have introduction to statistic, dynamic representation of data, frequency distribution, graphical representation of frequency distribution, and then you have study note number 4, that is Measures of central tendency and dispersion. So you have here measures of central tendency, measures of dispersion and skewness. Then you have study note number 5, that is correlation and regression. And then you have study note number 6, that is the last study note, which is probability, which is probably very easy. So you have here general concept, some useful terms, measurement of probability, theorem of probability, Bayes theorem, ODDS, and some important terms and concepts. So yes, this is all about the last paper, that is fundamentals of business mathematics and statistics. So you have only these 4 papers in CMA Foundation, which is really easy to complete by your own. You can do it on your own if you are a commerce. Okay, so if you have done your 11th and 12th from commerce, then trust me, these papers are nothing for you. They are that easy. I have done my 11th 12th in commerce, and I have not even studied that much, and I cleared this CMA foundation in my very first attempt. So you can also do it. But if you have done your 11th and 12th from arts or science, then you have to go through them very nicely. So the syllabus is not very vast, it is very little. You can easily complete it in 1 or 2 months. I have done in 15 days. That is just before 15 days of exam. So you can do it very well easily. So yes, this was the unboxing or whatever you say of CMA Foundation books and of the syllabus in the same video itself. I hope it was a bit useful to you. Please share the video if you like it, and thank you so much for watching. I'll be coming up with the study strategy for your upcoming exams of CMA Foundation. So this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.